Another big story, though, is the packaging for these guys here. This is the new packaging. You can see it's a lot thinner. This is the older iPhone 11 packaging. Basically, they're trying to be more eco-friendly. You're not getting the charger and the earbuds anymore with the new iPhone.
And that's obviously an effort by the company to try and reduce their carbon footprint or just use less packaging. And so you do have to purchase those accessories separately. And you've got several of the LOGiiX accessories beside you there, Mike, that could serve as one option for that.
Yeah, of course, Apple has a great line of accessories. I think they're also discounted as well. This is a great little kit from LOGiiX. And this is basically giving you the earbuds with the Lightning connector and also the charger as well. So if you get one of these new iPhones and you're kind of missing that, this is the LOGiiX Essential Kit. It has everything you need to make up for the stuff that's missing in the box. But this is also a fast charger as well, so it'll charge up your new iPhone lickety-split. Again, they've also got these other types of wall chargers with the USB-C, and that's kind of the new end that you'd be plugging into in this here. They've got a few different models. This one's a 65-watt version, so not only will it charge your iPhone, but if you've got a MacBook, it can charge that as well, and it's a quick charge. They also have a number of other accessories. Again, if you like the wired headphones, they've got their Tune Pro or Tune Jolt series here. And again, these have the Lightning connector that'll fit right into your iPhone 12 or any of the iPhones for that matter. And a whole bunch of great different types of cases that are available now for the iPhone 12. So everyone's getting ready for Friday, and I think Apple definitely has a winner on their hands.